Have you ever looked at an amazing bottle of wine and thought, I'd love to have just a glass? But then you stop yourself because you know that once you pull that cork, a clock starts ticking. You have to finish the whole bottle pretty quickly or else it's just going to go to waste. But what if you could pour just a single glass out of that bottle and put the bottle back in your cellar and return to it like it was untouched after days, months, or even years? This is not just wishful thinking. You can actually do this with a Coravin. Welcome back to Our Glass of Wine. I am Jacqueline, and today's video is sponsored by Coravin. So thank you to Coravin. Today, we are going over everything you need to know to get the most out of a Coravin Timeless 6 system. We are going to be talking about just what this system is, and then we'll break down the actual how and why it works. And after that, we're going to be going through a tutorial on how to use a Coravin Timeless system. And lastly, we will wrap up by addressing some FAQs and giving you some tips and tricks about using a Coravin Timeless system. So let's get started. So, what is a Coravin? Well, it's in the simplest of terms, a wine by the glass system. It's a way to have a glass of wine, but without compromising the entire bottle. It gives you the freedom to enjoy a wine you want in whatever amount you want, may it be just a single glass, and you don't have to worry about the oxidation ruining your wine. After you pour a glass, the remaining wine is protected because a cork is still in place, and it stays there as if the wine were untouched. But the trick is, how do you get the wine out while keeping in a cork? Let's look deeper. How a Coravin Timeless system works. The secret to the Coravin Timeless 6 system comes down to two main components, the needle and the gas. Let's start first with the needle. This is a precision engineered needle that is designed to gently press straight through the natural cork. It is thin enough to protect the integrity of the cork, but just thick enough to let the wine flow out. And because natural cork is elastic, the moment that you pull that needle out, the cork will naturally reseal itself, preventing oxidation and dripping. But when the wine leaves the bottle, you've got to replace that empty space somehow, right? Or the oxygen will get inside, and we all know how oxygen will ruin a wine. But you see, this is where the gas comes in. The Coravin Timeless system will use 100% pure argon gas. Argon is an inert noble gas, which means it has absolutely no smell, no taste, and it doesn't pass anything into the wine or influence it in any way. In fact, it is the same exact gas that winemakers will use in the cellar while they're making their wines. Argon is heavier than oxygen, so it will form a dense protective blanket, so to speak, over the remaining wine, and this helps prevent oxidation. In this Coravin Timeless system, when wine is removed, the needle will make sure that argon takes its place in the bottle, keeping the wine safe from oxidation. And now that you understand why and how it works, let me show you how to use it. How to use your Coravin Timeless system. Using the Coravin Timeless 6 system with confidence is actually really simple. We are going to need to load our argon capsule. First, we are going to slide the smart clamps all the way up. My capsule's running away. And then we are going to twist off the capsule cup. Capsule, round end first, and now we are going to screw it tightly back on to the machine. We are waiting to hear a little click, and that means that the capsule has actually been punctured and the argon gas is ready to use. Now that we've heard the click and our capsule is fully installed, we are going to slide the clamps back down and we're ready to go. Now it's time for the fun part. We are going to take our bottle, and it is recommended to leave the foil and capsule on the bottle in place. This will prevent older or damaged corks from pushing out during the argon insertion where a little bit of different pressure might be introduced, and it will also ensure that during storage after using a Coravin, the cork will still be protected while cellaring. Now, before we insert the needle, we are going to be giving a quick press of the trigger. This will clear the system of any air or old wine and make sure that your capsule is properly installed. Now we are going to align the clamps over the neck of the bottle, and keeping a firm hold on the bottle, we are going to be pushing the needle straight down through the cork in one fluid motion. And that's it. Now, to pour, we are going to be tilting the bottle, just like you would for any normal pour. We are going to be holding it by the bottle. We don't want to hold by the hand, by this handle or by this, because that might cause the bottle to fall out of the system. So we are going to tip so that the bottom of the bottle is above the glass, and we're going to just click the trigger. We want quick presses and releases, because this will help us to preserve the gas. I suggest to not press and hold it because the gas is just gonna overpressurize and come out when you're done. Instead, like I said, a click and hold. You can do this multiple times until you get the amount of wine you want. When we're done, we're going to hold the nozzle over, gently tip up, and we have a glass of wine. Now, we don't want to store the system with the Coravin in place, so to remove it when we're done pouring, we are just going to hold the bottle at a slight angle, grab hold of the Coravin, and gently, smoothly pull up and out. Ta-da! Now that we've got this removed, we can give it a quick rinse under the water to clear any wine that might still be left in the needle or in the nozzle, just to make sure we don't get any bad odors going on. Now that we have removed the system, it's time to store the bottle. And we're gonna do that just like any other bottle, horizontally, because that natural cork has resealed, so no dripping. See, using a Coravin confidently is really just that easy. But I have found that there are a few tips and tricks that are useful when using the Coravin Timeless system, so maybe you also have a few questions too. Let's talk FAQs. FAQ tips and tricks. First off, let's talk closures and corks. As you may know from previous videos, I'm a little bit of a closure nerd. There are a few different closures that will work best with a Coravin Timeless system. The system will work best with a natural cork, as it will be the best at naturally resealing to prevent oxidation and leaks. This bottle we just Coravin'd, no leaks. A Coravin Timeless system should not be used with synthetic or plastic corks, as they won't reseal and you might get that oxidation or drippy bottles, which no one wants. Now, this might lead you to think that screw caps are right out, right? But actually, they don't have to be. With a Timeless 6 Plus system, there are screw cap accessories. You can swap out the original screw cap for this Coravin special screw cap, and then use the system as if with a normal cork. You can store your bottle with this screw cap accessory in place, and then you can use the same screw cap for multiple punctures multiple times. Now, for sparkling wines, there is a solution too, but that will require a totally different system than this Timeless 6. It will actually use not argon gas, but CO2, the gas that makes champagne bubbly. With other systems like that, you will remove the sparkling wine cork and then replace it with the special Coravin sparkling stopper. You will then use the sparkling charger to add CO2 back into the bottle to help maintain the flavor and fizz of your sparkling wines. Now, the next question that comes up quite a lot is how many glasses of wine can you get from one capsule? Every pure argon capsule will give you enough gas to pour about 15 5-ounce or 150 milliliter glasses of wine. Now, there are a few other accessories that you might see with a Coravin Timeless system. One is like this aerator attachment as well. We are going to just plug this little gadget here onto the nozzle, and then you will do a normal insertion and a normal pour. What it's going to do is spray a little bit more, and it's going to give you more aeration than without the attachment. It's going to act as if it's been decanted for over an hour. You can experiment as well with different needles, such as the vintage needle or a quick pour needle. These are different thicknesses, and they're going to affect the cork puncture and the pour speed. And lastly, cleaning. It is incredibly simple, but important. At the end of the night, when you're all done using the Coravin, run a small stream of warm water through the spout and down through the needle. You're going to press the trigger to push any remaining water out, and then dry it off with a soft cloth. Never submerge the system in water, and certainly don't put it in the dishwasher. So there you have it, the Coravin Timeless 6 system. Hopefully after this video, you will have all the confidence you need to enjoy some wine by the glass without having to open the bottle. Thank you to Coravin for sponsoring today's video. You can check out their store and their products using the link in the description below, or if you're watching on a TV or computer, here is a QR code to scan to go right to their website. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like below and be sure to subscribe here to Our Glass of Wine for more wine education content. I am going to be leaving you with this video here on how to remove a cork from a bottle with a corkscrew for once you have officially come to the end of your Coravin bottle, one glass at a time. Cheers!